Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to break down how to remove passes, tickets, or even payment cards from your Apple Wallet on your iPhone. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, open up the Wallet app on your iPhone. You should see all your payment cards listed at the top and all your passes, tickets, and other cards down below. Let's start with removing a payment card. Tap on the card you want to get rid of. See that circle icon with the 3 dots in the top right corner? Tap that. Now, select Card Details. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the Card Details page. You'll find Remove Card. Just tap on that, and then confirm by selecting Remove in the pop-up. Boom! Card's gone. Now, what about those passes and tickets? It's just as easy. Find the pass or ticket you want to delete in the list below, and tap on it. Again, tap that circle icon with the 3 dots in the top right. This time, select Remove Pass. Confirm it by selecting Remove in the pop-up, and just like that, it's gone from your wallet and can no longer be used. Once you've removed everything you wanted to, you can just close the Wallet app and go back to using your iPhone like normal. And that's it. That's how easy it is to remove passes, tickets, and cards from your Apple Wallet. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a like. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. This was based on my own experience, so your mileage may vary. I've added some helpful links in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.